so high. Love makes me grow in firm desire for a beautiful flower in her bright face.
White vermilion mixed with ruby.
More than any other, she is of joyful appearance.
For with her beautiful eyes, loving and pleasing, she has so struck me and wounded me sweetly,
that I've returned to good hope.
If I've become loving in appearance and want to serve her beautiful body white and smooth, I can do nothing else.
For love has so seized me
that it makes me choose her pure loving
as the best and the most pleasing, the most worthy, the wisest and the most knowing that there is in the world according to my thinking.
Love made me choose the most prized
And the most beautiful to love.
and I cry to her for mercy,
For she is the one
who conquered me so gently that she didn't make me suffer
even a single hardship.
And if mercy and love don't overcome her,
She will kill me.
surpassing in thoughts.
So high is my heart in lofty desire.
And if I cry to her for mercy as a pure lover and beg her for love and serve her loyally,
She should well hear me.
since pure worth is seated in her noble body, in which I have my joy.
For where there is beauty and worthy merit,
Mercy must not fail, nor discernment,
nor the reward of pure joy. Without doubt, 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 doubt.
If for mercy I ask her for mercy, begging, and on my knees, hands joined in beg,
Mercy will conquer her.
I think with praise above all the worthy, the knowing without boasting, and worth and noble valor will retain her. For it's said that to beauty and to wisdom falls that without mercy no forgiveness is found. A white flower, vermilion, sweet smelling.
I cry to you for mercy.
And if mercy conquers you,
Yours is the praise.
and me in paradise,
You can put me in joy and happiness.